The 7 activists told the court they needed to postpone the matter for 3 weeks. This after they tried and failed to secure pro bono legal representation. Today, the matter continued, however, with one of the activists, Sarah Summers, speaking on behalf of the group. Summers told the court that human rights trump property rights and that the occupation of the house is in protest against the major challenges queer people face, including safe accommodation. Not initially part of their responding papers, Summers told the court that 3 of the group of 7 would be homeless if they get evicted. Judge Dosaya Dolamo said if a postponement of 3 weeks is granted, it would infringe on the rights of the property owner. The accommodation is not a primary residence but a holiday home. Judge Dolamo has pointed out that all rights are equal and must be balanced. After roping in the city of Cape Town for alternative accommodation, he ordered the group to vacate the premises no later than 12 noon on the 8th of October. Shelter space will be available in Philippi if they meet the minimum requirements. Although the eviction order was granted, Summers said it was a fair trial.
Yeah, we live to fight another day. We're strong. We're a strong team, and more people are recognizing that this isn't performative activism, that this is artistic and transgressive and peaceful and thoughtful, but that this isn't a joke. And that the things that we want are real things that everybody needs.
When the group started the occupation, it told the property management company that they wanted to speak to the owner directly. Milton de la Harpe, attorney for the applicants, said the group indicated to his client that they wanted the property to be turned into a safe space. De la Harpe says a charge of fraud is being investigated as the group took up occupation under false pretense.
PI Act is not applicable. You cannot go into a property and think that you're going to stay in that property and under false pretenses. I advise people who rent out their property on the short-term basis to get the reason from the tenant to say, this is the reason why I'm going into this property. And if that is not the case, then it's fraud, and then they must be prosecuted. This cannot be tolerated.
Judge Dolamo also ruled that if the group leaves the property before the date of the eviction, they will not be held accountable for legal costs. But if they stay, the eviction order will be enacted by the sheriff and they will have to pay costs. Summers would not say what the group intends to do next. Mariska Botha, SABC News, Cape Town.
Meanwhile, on a colourful note, a group of South African LGBTIQ+ community are gathered today at the Constitution Hill to raise the rainbow pride flag.